y'all know I was tap dancer. And these pink ones, at least I can walk in these a little bit more. Could even twerk in them. Can even spin in them. Y'all know something? I ran in heels before. Stilettos or not. Let's see if I can. Pistol squatting heels. Your girl got some talent. What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Simba wants to know how y'all doing too. Yesterday he got mad at me and marked up my leg, and today I have a shoe video and I have shorts on. Simba, you're messing with things, okay? So today I am super happy to work with Jen Ardor brand. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 heels that are super sexy that I'm going to try on for you guys so you guys can see how sexy these heels are. You need these in your life. I had them on my Instagram story yesterday under TBabyLove2, and I was just like falling in love with them. So I have not tried them on all yet, but I'm showing you guys as, oh Lord, as soon as I get them, what they look like on. Outfits, those outfits, I will be posting these on Instagram, so make sure to follow your girl there. But let's just see what these look like on. Now, I would wear these kinds of heels with probably like a skirt, a dress, to church, because your girl needs Jesus in her life. Okay, so look at how classy and beautiful these are. Oh my gosh. Now I guess, would this be considered foot porn? Putting my foots inside here. Okay. These are super cute. Oh yeah. Okay, so here's the first one. These white, fashionable, very, very cute. I think these are adorable. I think that it accentuates the legs, but I would definitely not probably wear it with this outfit. Of course, I'd wear it with like a long dress or a skirt or something. But down here, let me put this down here so you guys can see how cute these are. Oh my lordy. Okay, so out of these shoes, which are all considered like stiletto heels, they're very classy. Let me tell y'all, because I'm a classy bitch. Sorry, I'm trying not to cuss. I first pulled out these ones when I got them, and it's like a super, I don't even know how to explain this material. It's like a leather, like scaly kind of look, but they're super classy. Now, I usually don't wear this kind of like a heel, like a point, and I think that it's really good for like church or like a dress or something fancy. And then these ones, I love how there's like the rose gold under here with the point on the toe too. And these are like a baby pink. And then these ones I just thought were so cute because the little bow and white and gold. I love white and gold. Oh my god. But then, oh my goodness, your girl saw these. And I was like, okay, I have to get these because they're like a suede. And they're super soft, but mixing red and gold, like this rose gold, is like winner vegan chicken dinner. Yes, these were my favorite. So I want to know which ones are your favorite below. But then wait, there's more. I want to give away, what did I just say? Yeah, you heard. I want to give away a pair of shoes to one of you lucky people. So I have a pair in here, and I will show you just to make sure that whoever you're gifting it to, or whoever is wearing this, ladies or men who are gifting it, or if you're wearing it, you never know. Anyone can wear these really cute buckled up Jen Adore high quality booties. I love these, but I want somebody else out there to have the pleasure of wearing these. And I want to see your outfit pictures, and I want to see all that good stuff. So I want to give this away to somebody. In order to win this box of these precious shoes, all you have to do is follow your girl on Instagram, tbabylove2, and Jen Ardor on Instagram at Jen Ardor Shoes. I'll put all their links below. And I'll be doing the giveaway. I like to give a little bit of time so people have to enter. Once you have entered and you have followed both of us, comment down below done, because we're going to be checking everything. So I will be giving away this, and on my Instagram, when you see, I'll be posting a picture in one of these shoes, or you'll see the shout out. I need you to tag 3 amigos, amigas, amigos, okay? So directions will be below. Super simple, super easy. You can win these shoes for gratis. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see the winner of these shoes. Tag me in your pictures, of course, tag me in everything, and I will talk to you all soon.